congratulate Mommy. Mommy's a lovely woman now. It's that sleazy bird you've been hanging out with. I knew she was going to make you do this. I knew it. I need more Kleenex. Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you so much. I'm so upset. I'll tell you how, if you wave the American flag at him, he'll come running and he'll whistle "America's Beautiful." I miss you, Percy. If you're watching this, please come home to Mommy. Oh, wait. I'll show you what he looks like. I got me a poster. I went out to the sheriff's office and the artist, he drew me a picture of Percy. He did. And there's a reward and everything. See his picture? Ain't he pretty? He's so pretty. $1 million. I'm a star. I can afford $1 million for my Percy. Percy, please come on to Mommy, please. Well, I saved this for last, Christie. You're such a wonderful co-host, and I love you so much. Well, after the show, you're going to go hunt Percy. You promised now. I love you guys, and I'll see you next week. And remember, look for my baby, please. And don't forget the flag. Okay, I love you guys. Good night.
The Ann Fan Show is a Percy Cat production.